Alright, this is Rise of the Knights, and today we are going to be making a cherry drink. So this one's going to be a little bit more complicated than my blue raspberry drink. The ingredients are Pepsi, Lucy's cherry flavoring, which you can get on Amazon, along with the blue raspberry. I think they come in a pack, and some water. So, to start, we're going to undo the Pepsi and undo the cherry. So, we're going to pour the cherry up to 2 ounces. And then, let's move that over. We're going to add some Pepsi to about 2.5 ounces. And then we're going to fill the water to 6 ounces. So, the next thing we're going to do is add ice. So, this is optional, but I'm going to do it. Oh, I'm making a mess. So, we're going to add some ice. I think this should be enough, if I can get it all. No, I'm going to have to do 2 scoops. Alright, there we go. So, next, we're going to pour some of the drink in. So you can see it looks delicious. And yeah. So, if you enjoyed the video, you can leave a like, or if you hated it, you can leave a dislike. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out.